Understanding the performance of your electronic devices can be very time-consuming. Users need more power and less noise than ever. To check what's going on, you have to create a prototype, set up a testing environment, running the experiment and get results. And then, when the heat goes very high, you need to change your design and redo it all the way. But what if we can analyze it entirely in a virtual CFD lab? Imagine to test the design in 3D and then check immediately for his performance. Is not working as intended? Let's try another design and compare the results. Let's see together what we can do inside SOLIDWORKS flow simulation and how we can achieve optimal product performance without even a real test. Okay, our product design is underway, but we need to assess some contrasting ideas to go on. Customers are asking for less noise, but they like to have more power. This will be tough. So, let's go with the flow. We will try to minimize maximum thermal heat on main chip and memories, and we would like to use less fan possible. The first step is to build the scenario that we want to analyze inside Flow Simulation Wizard. This multi-step approach is easing our job to start analyzing the flow inside our model and putting up all the conditions to have a realistic thermal simulation. When dealing with electronic devices, we need specific features. With Flow Simulation Electronic Cooling Module, we can define two resistor components, PCBs and fans. Those features will help us to have the most realistic analysis we can make, and of course meaningful results to analyze. That's great! In the library I have so many fans already configured with their curves, so I don't need to waste time browsing websites or inputting data. After the first run, we can check thermal results with cut plots, flow trajectories to understand what is going on inside our device. Here's the true advantage of virtual simulation. I can check every single point inside my model to have results. It would be impossible to have all these sensors inside a test prototype. Now, we want to see also if a vent can help us or not. Let's check it just cloning the analysis over a SOLIDWORKS configuration and rerun the analysis. Okay, now it's clear that a vent does not add so much cooling to the system, but it will add costs to production, that's for sure. Viewing the results, it's clear that we can make a design choice now and avoid it. I cannot imagine to have modified the mold of the external case just to discover some minimal benefit. I've saved a lot of money for the company. Another aspect to investigate is the configuration of the fans. Maybe we can test all the combinations. In a lab, this will take a long time for sure, but in Flow it's as easy as cloning the analysis and suppressing components, as you normally would do with SOLIDWORKS configurations. Now that we have all the setups, we can just batch run all the analysis and go having a lunch and enjoy time with our colleagues. Can't help having a good coffee. Okay, back to work, we can immediately check the results calculated. Viewing them with the compare tool is very intuitive and gives us the power to make important design changes for the future of this product. Wow, now we understand really a lot of our product and we can finalize the design having checked either fan configuration and heat problems. Time to focus on the next product design. Is it amazing to have a full virtual test lab right at your fingertips? We analyze an entire electronic device and get full thermal results very easily. We compare different designs without even building one of them. Also, we could go with the flow results inside SOLIDWORKS simulation to check deformations due to thermal flux. If we are producing the fan geometry, you can zoom on that model and analyze with the rotating mesh technology in Flow Simulation. Amazing. All this analyzing power on your desktop without any real prototype. Now it's your turn to use this tool and design amazing products. Go to www.solidworks.com and get in contact with your local reseller to plan an evaluation project with SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation.